try letting go of the throttle.
Let go.
Yep, see how the car just brakes?
Uh-huh.
So this is what I mean by one pedal driving.
Okay.
Yeah, you only need to use one pedal. Don't have to use the brake pads as often.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Does that save the battery or like?
It helps conserve your brake pads and also charges up your car as well.
Okay.
So let's just go straight.
Sorry, can you just adjust your seat? Okay, you still can do that.
So that's the compound and then just to the left.
Signal.
So when you turn on the signal,
So how do you want to switch off then?
just go left and then it'll change it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it'll turn off by itself. If you want to switch off manually, you can just click on the same button again.
Oh, okay, yes,
Yeah.
okay, right.
Oh. This is EV, it's very quick.
It's very
Okay.
bulky, yeah. So we turn left.
Left here,
Yeah, before the traffic light.
for traffic light. So we're going out.
Over here, yeah. Turn left.
Okay. Oh, but it gives you because of the one
Because it's
pedal.
alright, so you have
one-
to get used to it. Yeah, if you want to
Ah.
slow down, just very slowly let
Just
go.
like
Yeah.
you don't let.
Don't
Okay.
simply let go. If you simply let go, you feel it's a
Yeah,
bit
you
jerky.
feel like yeah.
Because the car just brakes.
Yeah, but you seem like a natural already.
Yeah, honestly, yes.
Honestly, I'm not sick back here.
Oh yeah, the speed is in.
Keep on this lane.
On this lane, are we going out?
Keep on going straight. Because if you take the right lane, you have
We're
to turn
going
right. Yeah.
Okay. So we're going
Let's go straight.
Straight.
Yeah.
Shit. Okay.
Yeah, just straight.
Okay. Just go straight here.
Yeah. So in a short while, I will show you how to turn on the autopilot.
Yeah.
But I just want you to keep in mind that once the autopilot is on, keep your hands on the wheel, but do not turn it whatsoever. Okay. So do you see the scrolling wheel on the right side of the steering?
Scrolling wheel. Right side. Okay, here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you can click on it once.
This one.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the rainbow road indicates that we're driving on autopilot.
Also, but then you just have to put your hand
Yeah,
here.
just let go of the pedal right now.
Pedal.
Let go. Yeah. So just relax.
Uh-huh.
Don't turn the steering.
Yeah, I'm
Turn
just putting my
inside,
hand here, just like
Yeah.
so. It's
So
just
right now we're driving on autopilot.
okay.
Yeah.
It's just okay.
And then relax. You can control the speed by scrolling up or down on the right side.
This one here.
Yeah, just scroll
This
up
side.
and increase the maximum speed.
Okay.
Yeah. Just let go of everything here. Just trust the car.
Seriously?
Sorry, don't press on the brake. Don't press on the brake. Just relax.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Just relax. Just relax. Don't do anything.
I have my feet on the brake already.
Don't do it. Just trust the car.
Scary, man.
Yeah. So yeah, you can see how this function will make it a lot more relaxing to do long distance trips.
Correct.
If you're stuck in traffic.
Okay, but then for the long distance, sometimes I mean I do realize that we don't have this the lines, the marking on the
So
road.
this is why you
So is
still-
it okay?
So this is why you still need to pay attention and be
Ah.
alert at always.
Right.
Keep your
Because I
hands
think
on the wheel.
how it works is that it
Yeah,
depends
it
on
affects
the
line, yes.
Yeah, you never use the assisted driving in the
Okay.
Volvo
yeah.
or the Mercedes
Oh no, the Hyundai.
or the
With
Hyundai
Tesla, you
or
have
the
to use it.
Hyundai.
This is what we're known for.
Ah.
Yeah.
This is a bit slightly more advanced.
Yeah, it's a lot more advanced actually.
Yeah,
It's
a lot
auto
more
steer as
advanced.
well.
Yes,
Right.
yes, yes.
Yeah. But yeah, of course, every time driving completely hands-free is still illegal.
Right.
So why I keep touching the wheel is because the car will alert you.
Right.
Like,
Then,
I mean,
then you
yeah.
have your hand.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. So when you just you're done with it, then you just like
just press on the brake or even click on the same button again.
click on the same button. This one.
Yeah. Make a U-turn over here. So
Okay.
click on it now. Yeah. Let's make the U-turn.
Sorry. I keep forgetting that you just have to use the.
Yep.
Okay. So wait. This one.
Yeah, so after this U-turn, let's
Okay.
keep on the left side.
Keep on the left side.
Let's slow down a bit, and then we can try out the instant part of the car. You notice that you like to drive fast cars. Okay, I can tell by the way you drive already. Okay, so let's slow down. I'm gonna give a countdown from 3, and when I say go, I want you to just fully press the pedal. Is that okay?
Sure.
Just floor it.
Okay.
Okay? On
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go. Just
Oh
floor it.
shit! Oh my god!
Yep.
Wow!
So that's the instant.
Wow! I'm melekat, man.
You feel the G-force pushing you back. It's
Yeah.
like- And this is just the rear wheel drive. It's not even the long range.
Right.
Yeah. The long range will. It's even faster.
It has dual motor, right? That one?
Yes. This one is just a single motor. It's
Okay.
quick enough.
Yeah.
I just have to get used to the because of the one pedal. Because it's usually when normal cars, it's like when you lift your feet up, it's still like going. But then this one is like almost like immediately.
But you
like
can turn that off as well, right? If
What?
you wanted to.
Yeah.
The one pedal driving.
No.
Oh, cannot.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
So you just have to adjust your
Yeah,
style of
you
driving
have
then.
to, yes.
Okay.
You have to learn.
Right. Yeah. You have to adapt to.
Yeah.
Yeah, but me sitting at the back here seems like you're getting used to it already.
Yeah. Yeah, it's just a straight away. Feel free if you want to try out the autopilot again.
Wow.
Alright.
I'm not an autopilot person. Maybe he is.
There's a traffic light in front, so be
Right.
careful.
Okay. Oh, totally. Where is it? Oh, there.
Yeah.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's the end of our video.